Welcome to the Quick and Easy Budget by Lluna Designs. As a first step, we will double-click on the Budget tab and name it for the period we want to record. For example, September. If we already have a created budget and want to create a new one from scratch, we will click on the tab, use it for new copy only and select Duplicate. We can now rename the new tab and drag it to where we want it. Next, we will select the dates we want our budget to cover. We will then choose our currency and the position in which we want it to appear in the amounts. We will manually enter all our income into the table, including description, payment day, how much we expect to receive, and how much has actually been received. Next, we will manually enter all our monthly bills into the bills table, filling in the fields, description, payment date, how much we expect to pay, and how much we have actually paid. We can also mark the bills that have already been paid, to keep better track. We manually enter the expense categories, and what we expect to spend throughout the period in the expenses table. The paid and remaining columns are formula columns that are automatically calculated based on the expenses we enter in the expense tracker table later. Now, we will fill in the debts table if there are any. We will enter the description, payment day, the end date of the debt, and how much has been paid. Like the bills, we can check the box if the debt has already been paid during this period. In the next table, we enter our savings projects, including description, how much we expect to save, and how much we have actually saved. Finally, we enter our expenses in the expense tracker table. This table will be filled in as we spend during the current period. The values in the category drop-down are automatic and are set according to what we have entered in the category section of the expenses table. Thank you for trusting Lluna Designs.